The all-egg experiment, a crack at breakfast. What happens when you start your day with eggs every day for a month? It's a question that might intrigue the health conscious and the curious alike. Eggs, after all, are a breakfast staple for a reason. They're quick, easy to cook, and undeniably satisfying. But are they truly good for you? Let's dive into the world of eggs and explore the potential impact of this daily ritual. Eggs have long been a subject of debate in the nutrition world. Some hail them as a nutritional powerhouse, while others worry about potential downsides. This essay will crack open the facts about eggs, examining both the benefits and drawbacks of making them a daily breakfast staple. We'll delve into the nutritional content of eggs, explore their impact on various aspects of health, and debunk some common myths. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of what might happen when you embrace the all-egg breakfast challenge. Packed with protein, eggs and your muscles. One of the most celebrated benefits of eggs lies in their protein content. A single large egg boasts around 6 grams of protein, making it an excellent source of this essential nutrient. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues, including muscles. For those looking to fuel muscle growth, eggs can be a valuable ally. Adequate protein intake, especially after exercise, helps repair muscle fibers and promotes recovery. This makes eggs a popular choice among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Beyond muscle health, protein also contributes to feelings of fullness and satiety. Starting your day with a protein-rich breakfast like eggs can help curb cravings and prevent overeating later in the day. Vitamins and minerals, a yolk full of goodness. While egg whites contain protein, the yolk is where many of the vitamins and minerals reside. Eggs are a good source of choline, a nutrient essential for brain health and development. Choline plays a role in memory, mood regulation, and cognitive function. Furthermore, eggs provide lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that support eye health. These antioxidants help protect against age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. Adding eggs to your diet can contribute to long-term eye health. Eggs also offer a dose of vitamin D, a nutrient often lacking in modern diets. Vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption, bone health, and immune function. Including eggs in your meals can help boost your vitamin D levels. Section 4, the cholesterol question, cracking the code. For years, eggs have been surrounded by concerns about cholesterol. It's true that eggs contain dietary cholesterol, primarily found in the yolk. However, recent research has challenged the notion that dietary cholesterol directly translates to high blood cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that for most people, consuming eggs in moderation does not have a significant impact on blood cholesterol. The body regulates cholesterol production, and dietary cholesterol plays a relatively small role in overall blood cholesterol levels. It's important to note that individual responses to dietary cholesterol can vary. People with certain medical conditions, such as familial hypercholesterolemia, may need to limit their cholesterol intake. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Section 5, busting egg myths, separating fact from fiction. Several myths and misconceptions surround eggs. One common myth is that brown eggs are healthier than white eggs. In reality, the color of the eggshell is determined by the breed of the hen and has no bearing on nutritional value. Another myth claims that raw eggs are more nutritious than cooked eggs. While it's true that cooking can slightly reduce certain nutrients like vitamin B12, raw eggs pose a risk of salmonella poisoning. Cooking eggs thoroughly eliminates this risk and makes them safe to eat. It's also a misconception that eggs are inflammatory. Eggs contain anti-inflammatory compounds, such as choline and omega-3 fatty acids, which can actually help reduce inflammation in the body. Including eggs as part of a balanced diet can contribute to overall health and well-being. Section 6, the bottom line. Listen to your body. So what happens when you break your fast with eggs every day for a month? The answer, as with many things in nutrition, is that it depends. Eggs can be a nutritious and delicious addition to your diet, providing protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. However, it's essential to listen to your body and pay attention to how you feel. Some people thrive on eggs, while others may experience digestive discomfort or other adverse reactions. Moderation and balance are key. Ultimately, the best approach is to choose high-quality eggs from pasture-raised hens whenever possible and incorporate them into a balanced diet that includes a variety of whole foods. By doing so, you can reap the potential benefits of this versatile and nutrient-rich food.